Kip G with a weather overview, getting towards the middle of this week and looking pretty good for tomorrow with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. And then we cloud it over for Thursday with some morning showers, and then that goes by. And then I think it's fair weather for the rest of the weekend. The overall weather picture is going to be dominated by dry conditions and still below normal temperatures for this time of year. In fact, Central Park is running close to 4 degrees below normal for the monthly mean temp, for the monthly average temp. So this is NOAA. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. We have some showers running around. This is courtesy of Intellicast.com. This is your radar, but they seem to be breaking up as they move in to the immediate tri-state area. We still have these cloudy conditions outside. We can't rule out a shower or two as we go through the night, but then fair weather settles in for Wednesday before more showers come in for Thursday morning. So when we look at it day to day off the weather maps, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, we're fine for tomorrow with sunny skies, temperatures in the 50s. And then by Thursday morning, this weak disturbance moves through, and much like the system last Thursday, a lot of the bulk of the energy is off to the north, but we still get clipped with some showers. So Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon, some light rain or showers move through the region, and then it gets cool behind that as the winds pick up out of the north. So gusty breeze out of the north for Thursday night into a chunk of Friday before the winds start to relax and fair skies take hold for the weekend. But temperatures are still below normal as they stay in the mid to upper 50s, maybe some low 60s here or there, especially away from the coast, but that's not really where we should be this time of year. We should be in the mid 60s by now. So we have a fair weather pattern though developing, and we're not going to see a lot of rain over the next 7 to 10 days. In fact, if we go out to next Monday and Tuesday, high pressure sort of moves right overhead, and that means that the winds, instead of coming out of a northerly direction, they're coming from a more warm westerly direction. Now, speaking of warmth, we don't really see a lot of warmth on the weather map, unfortunately, going forward. If we look at the temp against the normals, what the normal should be this time of year, this is a vast area. This is by Saturday, where temperatures are at or below normal, not just here, but for the majority of the lower 48 states. It's actually very impressive. And that air mass, or a similar air mass, doesn't really relinquish its grip anytime in the long range. If we go all the way out to next Tuesday or so, we still have these relatively cool temperatures for this time of year, and I don't see that really breaking up. If you look at, by the time we get to next Thursday, the only place now in the country, if you believe this model, that is above normal temperatures is in the west. So we're going to have to deal with these stubbornly low temperatures for this time of year, albeit it's not a crummy weather pattern to the extent that we're not raining, and when obviously we've gotten rid of all the snow threats by now. But temperatures still on the below side of the ledger for where we should be this time of year as we go through the forecast period.